Wow, that weather is awful. I did not take my umbrella with me to work, which was a rookie mistake living in the northwest of England. My eye's shaking because I've been carrying my bag. So sorry if this is a little bit rocky road. So, whew, it was sunny this morning. I should have known better, shouldn't I? It's going dark. Oh, I should have known better, but yes, I've just finished work and I've been to Card Factory today to pick up Henry's balloons for his birthday tomorrow. So I need to sneak them in. My arm is shaking. I'm so sorry. It is like you're on a roller coaster. So yeah, I picked up the balloons, dinosaur balloons, and a 5 balloon from Card Factory. And then I've nearly been blown away into the rainbow of Oz because the weather is ridiculous. I nearly took out some woman outside of Card Factory because the bag just blew away. And I was like, get my balloons back. So I'm just on my way home now to pick the kids up from my mum's house. And then we are going to pop to the shop to pick up some bits and pieces for the party bags from Asda and toilet rolls. I think that's all we need. So yeah, we're going to get party bag stuff from Asda or Asda's probably best for the party bag stuff. And then I'm going to sort all the party bag things out because then I've still got Friday to sort them out if we need anything extra, because I'm going to Costco on Friday and there's an Asda next door. We're going to pick the food up on Friday. So that is where I'm off to now. Going to get myself a little bit less dishevelled and drive home. I need to find my glasses though, because the glare at the moment is just killing my eyes. I mean, I thought the clocks went back an hour, not like 3 hours. It's gone dark at like 3:30 today. It's crazy. So I will catch you all in a little while when my arms stop shaking. Oh my God.
Stab you in the head, yeah. It's going to hurt you, yeah. It's not going to stab you in the head and kill you, but it will hurt you.
Mommy. Don't move. Oh, it's looking good, Henry. Do you want to help me, Penelope? I know, why don't you feed Lady and Buddy? So we picked up these little sticky man things, bouncy balls, bubbles, and this bag multi-pack of toys, and then some sweets. Oh, and there's some balloons over there, sweetheart. Can you get me them packs of balloons that are on there? Thank you. Right, so Penelope is helping me, aren't you, sweetheart? With a face paint all on face. So I know, do you want to start putting a bouncy ball in each bag? So go up and down each row. That's a good girl. So these balloons are from Card Factory, and they match all the dinosaur stuff that I bought. So they've got little, I thought it was a sheep then. I'm going to say they sold me a sheep on a balloon, but no, it's a little, is that a stegosaurus? I don't know, is that a stegosaurus, Penelope? It looks like a sheep. I mean, you look like you've got a hairy back. His back's all hairy. Oh, my nail is so sore. I took my nail off today. Are you alright up there, sweetheart? Yeah. What's going on with it?
That was one I did.
I gathered that. Right, have you put a bouncy ball in all of them? Yeah. Make sure you don't put 2 in.
Okay, that's why I'm standing up on the chair.
And then let's see what next. So balloons. Did you get all the packs, Penelope? There seems to be a shortage there.
So you do sticky man.
We'll put the sticky men in, don't you worry. We'll put the sticky men in. Balloons. So I've got 30 party bags. Oh, these look. Oh, these are all broken.
Sticky man.
Yeah.
Huh?
Well, that's not good, is it? All the little ball things have come off of them. Well, Asda, I'm not impressed there. The pile of cardboard. Where's the pile of cardboard? Right next to your head, Henry. Henry, why don't you put it in the bit that you can reach, this little bit here? Why don't you do that? That's a super idea, super boy. I think those jammers are probably at the end of their life, aren't they?
No, but my purple pajamas.
Do you love being Woody?
Yeah, I love being Woody.
So are we all prepped for your birthday party, Henry?
Yeah.
We just need to go and pick up your cake and the food, don't we, on Friday?
Fancy
And it's
bar.
whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Mine.
How old will you be?
5.
5. Yay!
Fancy.
I bet those people that watched your video was when you was born can't believe that you're 5 now.
I'm nearly 5, you meant.
Nearly 5. Well, you're 5 in the morning. You were actually 5 in like a few hours.
Do my presents tomorrow.
You are 5 in 5 hours.
Mommy, will do my presents
Oh my
tomorrow.
goodness. We'll do your presents tomorrow after school so you can play with them, yeah?
Yeah.
That's if you're going to get any presents. Do you think you're getting presents?
Yeah.
How many presents do you think you're going to get?
100.
100? 100 presents?
I think.
You think? Who's buying you 100 presents?
Don't know.
Don't know. I don't know. You're definitely not getting 100 presents. How many presents do you think, really?
1,000.
1,000? No. I think we'll have to set some realistic expectations. You're probably going to get about 5 presents.
I think I'm going to get 50.
50? Where do you think Mummy's getting all the pennies to get you 50 presents?
That's that number just with a 0 on the end.
Yeah, 50 divided by 10, maybe.
I think it's 10.
10? Ooh!
Bouncy!
Right. Lady wants to do gymnastics with you. Lady!
Get out the way!
Don't shout in her face. She can't hear you, but she knows that you're being shouty. Don't pick her up, Penelope. Say, up. She wants to join in. Oh, look, she's so old. Poor thing. You ready? Yeah. Henry, watch out so I can see Penelope. She's been practicing, haven't you, sweetheart? Right, go for it. Way! Well done. Can you do a walk over from the front, Henry? That's it. Well done. You try and stand up from there, do you think? That's what we're working on next, isn't it? Standing up. Well done. I thought this side was better. Sit up.
It's the same. It's the same. Oh, my friends have got stuff.
Wait, your back leg's not straight, sweetheart. Well, you was doing the splits in that side the other week, weren't you?
Yes.
You need to practice it every day, don't you? What about your forward-facing ones? Your froggy splits? Oh, look at that. You're doing so well. Look at Lady. Is Lady your best doggy? Oh, buddy, this little face pop up. What about me?
You're my second girl. How does that belt like that? You're the oldest doggy here. You're the I think that Boo Boo's the oldest person in the family.
She is. She's older than all of us. In doggy years. Are you, Lady? Yeah, you are.
She's got a venom spot.
She has, hasn't she? Give Buddy a tickle so he doesn't feel left out.
Buddy?
Don't go in his face.
He's trying to lick me.
I know, but you know what he's like. He's grumpy. Lady's like, oh, she's doing the shaky thing. You're probably going to have to bend. Oh, it's a bit. Heavier. cake, Henry? Are you happy? Are you smiling now? Yeah. Right, Henry, you gonna come in?
Thank you, Mummy. I like the story thing. It's gonna be good.
Buddy.
What is it, Henry? Looks like your pajamas. It's glow in the dark. It says glow in the dark. Still get my own glow. Put that in the sofa. Let's put your presents on the sofa. Okay. But not. This one might be cool. Huge. Cooler. This one. Oh, this one's massive. I don't think I will be able to open this. This one might be. What is it? What is it? I never knew it was. I never knew I was gonna get this. Wait, I think. Okay. I don't really know that bit's for. Thanks for giving me this one.
Penelope, can you be the paper picker upper?
It's this.
It's this.
What you again?
Do you like Buzz Lightyear?
Look. Good. Massive.
Massive.
A massive present in all of it. The Hot Wheels garage.
The Hot Wheels garage.
It's definitely the Hot Wheels garage. Pick it up, Henry. Take the paper. Whoa. I need to take this paper. Come here. It's all this.
Do you like it?
Yes, the best one ever. Let me. Daddy, please can I take this off it? So hard. Penelope, thank you.
That's lovely manners, Henry. Are you going to have a go on your skateboard? Be careful, don't break.
Daddy, a card. Let's see. It's from me. I know, I saw you. Saw you doing it.
We'll give it to him then.
I'm opening it for you. Do you want me to read it to you? Yeah. In there. No, happy birthday, Henry. It says on the front. So it's inside. To Henry, happy birthday. Love Penelope. Love that. One day.
Who's coming back? Who's this? It's Buddy! Hello! Oh, hello! You're all wet! No!
He's been outside.
We're all wet. Hello, I know, I've not said hello to you yet. Hello, I know, you're my boy.
Mummy.
It's okay. Okay, sit.
Mummy, this is the last thing. Mummy,
Buddy.
can't breathe.
Sit.
I can't breathe.
Not on me. I know you're doing as I said, but... Right, put them all here, Henry, so we can see.
Mummy, this is the last topic.
Good boy.
That's the last
Right, Buddy, why don't you go and lie down? Go on your bed. Go on your bed.
I think
Why don't you bring his bed over here, Penelope, and then you can get on his bed. Here, Buddy. Buddy, where's your toy? Where's your toy? Go on my bed.
Buddy, come here. Buddy on the bed.
Good boy. That's a good boy.
Do it. It was scary. How does he get in? No, you put him in there. Oh yeah, here.
Penelope, you'll have to buy yourself some pink Hot Wheel cars and ask Henry if you can play with it.
He needs to come back. He needs to get onto it. Oh, there he is. He's on it. Okay. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up.
You can put more on at once, you know. You don't have to do them one at a time.
Oh, we're taking turns.
You're taking turns, okay. Where's your car? Where is he?
The car's coming on. Guys, backwards.
Turn him around.
He's going down the slide.
Oh, he's parked up.
No, he's not. It's coming on. The car's coming on. Whoa.
You got to make sure your slides are backwards.
Okay, now it's gonna go. Oh, it's gonna launch out of here. No.
You didn't have the bottom one turned, did you? Turn the bottom one. So we can launch out. How do you do it? That way?
Yeah. Let's do that again.
Right, one from the top.
No, Penelope. Penelope's mean to me.
She's not being mean to you.
Oh, she didn't let me. I have her.
She was just doing her car, Henry.
It's upside down. It's upside down. I'm taking some cars, Henry. You can have the rest of the car.
Ready? Go.
He's gonna park. I know it. There can go. I'm gonna make him launch out. I'm not gonna make him launch. I'm taking them out.
Do you love your Buzz Lightyear, Henry?
Yeah, Buzz Lightyear's here.
Put you in your jammies.
Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. Hot Wheels lead the way. Nothing.
I've said one thing they can't be doing at 6 o'clock in the morning. He's playing with that because that is noisy.
No.
Noisy, noisy, noisy toys.
Listen to it.
You've loved playing with that, Penelope. Do you want a Hot Wheels off Santa?
Yeah.
What have you got, Henry? Oh wow, what are them? Building blocks.
Yeah, building blocks.
Who was it off? Did you open the card?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. So this is the absolute carnage after Henry's birthday party. Henry, you got loads of toys, didn't you, off all your friends? And lots of money. Are you taking us all out for tea?
Yeah.
You all heard that. He said, yeah, he's taking us out for tea. Buzz Lightyear.
I got Lightyear already.
Yeah, you got Lightyear off Mummy and Daddy, didn't you? And Hot Wheels. You got some Hot Wheels off your friends as well, didn't you?
Yeah, and this is what you got me.
It is. Do you enjoy it? Penelope's played with that more than you. Do you like them cars, Penelope? Penelope?
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
I'm not looking forward to having to tidy the dining room though, because this is the current state of boxes and plastic off all of the packaging and the leftover cake, which we'll be enjoying later with a brew. Is Daddy gonna go make a brew?
Daddy!
I think Daddy should make a brew because I made all those sandwiches in 15 minutes.
Sure.
Right, so
What
that
was-
goes up,
Go together.
that goes down. Go up, watch though. Press that down and you look at the little thing inside.
What was it?
That little orange bit inside that lifts the ramp up, yeah? So when it goes down, lift the ramp up and slide it forward.
Yay. Did you get some new cars as well with it, Henry? Did they come with a car? Do you like your Sharky one?
Sharky's there.
Sharky's there. You filled your garage already, haven't you? Penelope's creating a pile up on the car park. It's like being in the Bolton Marketplace shopping centre. You getting all sorted, Penelope?
Yeah.
Then they're supposed to put the straps on these, aren't
I don't think so. I don't know. You only worn them snow pants once before, haven't you, Penelope? They're probably a bit too big still. Turn off the light. Go on then. Can you see?
Yeah.
You need to fasten that coat up, mister.
Can
You ready for the firework display?
Yeah. Can you do it?
So we are heading out to a firework display. So we're getting all our warm clothes on, bob hats, scarves, gloves, and I'm just wearing random casuals. I'm going to put a nice thick coat on because it gets freezing. My walking boots because I don't want to be muddying up my shoes and my wellies don't fit anymore. Are you all sorted, Henry?
Yeah, because the only one's got bad to do now. It's not pollution, it's natural.
Henry!
Fire, 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 fire. Fire! Fire that man!
Oh, it's getting bigger now, isn't it?
And now you go up.
And you have to
You,
your hands and your legs really far.
you have to step back a bit, Henry.
And I'm punching on you.
What?